Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a Linux distro that almost nobody talks about. But honestly, more people should. It's called Feren OS, and if you've never heard of it, don't worry. That's exactly why this video exists. Think of this as your full tour. The history, how to install it, what makes it unique, and why it might be a hidden gem for both beginners and daily drivers. Alright, so before we jump deep into the desktop and the features, let me quickly explain what Feren OS actually is. Think of Feren OS as this free open source Linux distro built on top of Ubuntu, but with a huge focus on being familiar, friendly, and honestly, just beautiful to use. It runs the KDE Plasma desktop, which means it's super customizable and super smooth, and yes, it used to be Cinnamon-based, but the switch to KDE took the whole experience to another level. It started back around 2015, created by a young independent developer who simply wanted a system that fixed common Ubuntu frustrations while offering a polished desktop experience. But the real question is, why does Feren OS even exist? Well, the whole point of Faren OS is to fix something that's been missing in the desktop world. It wants to make moving from Windows or Mac OS to Linux way easier. So if you still want your taskbar, your menu, your window buttons where you expect them, Faren gives you that familiar layout while still introducing you to all the power of Linux. Another big thing the developer focused on was giving people a polished experience straight out of the box. You don't have to spend an hour tweaking themes or fixing mismatched apps. Everything just looks clean the moment you install it. And because privacy matters, Faren OS doesn't collect your data, doesn't track you, none of that. It's a safe, secure alternative to the big commercial systems. To get started, download the ISO image, which is about 2.3 gigabytes. Installing Faren OS is just as simple as installing Ubuntu or Linux Mint. After downloading the ISO from the official website, you flash it to a USB using tools like Balena Etcher, Ventoy, or Rufus. Then you boot from the USB, and instantly you're greeted with a clean, modern KDE experience. When you boot into the Faren OS ISO, you're dropped straight into a full live environment, basically a fully working version of the system that runs directly from your USB drive. And the cool part is, this isn't some stripped-down demo. It's the actual Faren OS desktop, complete with the KDE Plasma environment, the themes, the layouts, everything. You can click around, open apps, test the performance, and see if you like the look and feel before installing anything on your machine. It's like taking the operating system for a test drive, and if you decide you like it, the installer is right there on the desktop ready to go. And once you've looked around the live environment and you're happy with how everything feels, all you have to do is click the installer icon on the desktop to start the installation process. It's right there, easy to spot, and it takes you step by step through setting up Faren OS on your system. What I really like about the installer is that it uses the same Calamares installer many user-friendly distros use. That means the process is straightforward. Pick your language, set your location, choose your keyboard layout, decide if you want the whole disk or manual partitioning, and you're done. It feels familiar, predictable, and fast. And that's perfect for people who don't want a complicated setup. The installation took less than 5 minutes. Once the installation finishes, remove the USB and reboot. After you log in for the very first time, you're greeted by the Welcome to Faren OS window, and honestly, this is one of the most helpful welcome screens. It basically acts like your guide. walking you through the important first steps so you're not left wondering where to start. Everything from choosing your layout, to theme options, to checking for updates, it's all laid out in a clean, friendly way. Now, if you click Start Tour, the very first thing that pops up is something called the Transfer tool. And this is the real game changer. This tool is designed specifically for people coming from Windows. Before you wipe your drive and move fully into Linux, the Transfer tool lets you back up your important stuff, your documents, browser data, wallpapers, and some app settings, so you can easily bring them into Feren OS. Think of it like a moving assistant. You pack up your essentials on Windows, install Faren OS, and then restore everything with just a couple of clicks. For anyone transitioning for the first time, this completely removes that fear of losing files or starting from zero. It's easily one of Faren OS's best features, and it shows just how much the developer cares about making the switch to Linux as smooth as possible. And by the way, Faren OS also comes with a detailed user guide. This thing is seriously helpful. It walks you through everything from installation to customizing your desktop to using all the key features. So even if you're completely new to Linux, you're never left guessing. It's all laid out in a simple step-by-step way that makes getting started super easy. Desktop Mode section. This is where Faren OS really shows off its flexibility. You can switch between different desktop modes. Maybe you want something that feels like Windows, maybe you want a Mac OS style layout, or maybe you prefer the default Faren setup. You can pick whatever matches your style. And the best part is, you're not locked in. Even after the setup, you can change all of this anytime by going into Settings Arrow Appearance. From there, you can switch layouts, tweak your panel, adjust themes. Basically customize the entire look and feel of your desktop. It gives you that freedom to make your system your own without being complicated. Now, once you settle into your desktop, one of the first things you'll use is the Applications menu. This is your main hub for everything installed on the system. It's clean, organized, and super easy to navigate. You've got categories like Internet, Office, Multimedia, Settings, and so on. You can search for apps instantly, pin your favorites, and launch anything you need with just a click. If you're coming from Windows, it'll feel very familiar, but with that smooth KDE polish on top. Another thing you'll notice right away is that Faren OS ships with Vivaldi as the default browser. And this isn't a random choice. Vivaldi is a powerful, privacy-focused browser that fits perfectly with Feren's philosophy. It's fast, customizable, and packed with features like tab tiling, built-in ad blocking, and advanced tab management. For new users, it's a great out-of-the-box experience, and for power users, it gives you way more control than something like Chrome or Firefox. It's a nice touch that shows Faren OS isn't just copying other distros. It's trying to offer something genuinely better. Faren OS also comes with a polished file manager that makes navigating your files super simple. It's intuitive and fast, letting you browse folders, move files, and manage your documents without any hassle. Whether you're coming from Windows or Mac OS, it feels familiar, but also has some nice Linux extras under the hood, like easy access to drives and network locations. Then there's the System tray down by the panel, which is your quick access hub for all the little but important things. You've got network settings, volume control, battery status if you're on a laptop, notifications, and even things like Bluetooth or updates. It's one of those areas you'll use all the time, and Faren OS keeps it organized so you can quickly check or change settings without digging through menus. Faren OS also makes keeping your system up to date and secure really straightforward. The Update Manager handles everything. It shows both security updates and software updates in one place, so you can easily install the latest patches and program upgrades without worrying about missing anything. And for peace of mind, Feren OS integrates system snapshots. This means before any major update, you can create a restore point. If something ever goes wrong, you can roll back your system to a previous working state. It's a safety net that's perfect for new users and anyone who just wants a stable, worry-free Linux experience. Next up, we have the Faren OS store, which is basically your one-stop shop for installing new applications. Think of it like an app store on your phone, but for your desktop. It's designed to make finding and installing software really simple, even if you've never used Linux before. Inside the store, apps are neatly organized into categories like Internet, Office, Multimedia, Games, and Utilities, so you can browse exactly what you need without hunting through menus or terminal commands. Each application comes with a short description, screenshots, and sometimes even ratings so you know what you're installing. The store also integrates with both Ubuntu repositories and Flatpak, which means you get access to thousands of applications, from everyday tools like LibreOffice and VLC to fun extras like Steam or emulators, all in a polished, easy-to-use interface. It's one of the things that makes Feren OS really beginner-friendly while still powerful for experienced users. Another awesome feature you get with Feren OS is KDE Connect, and this is one of those tools that instantly makes your desktop feel more modern. KDE Connect lets your Android phone and your computer talk to each other seamlessly. Once you pair your phone, you can do things like see your phone notifications right on your desktop, transfer files back and forth instantly, use your phone as a remote control for your computer, and even copy and paste text between devices. It basically creates this smooth ecosystem feel, kind of like what Apple has with iPhone and Mac, but completely free and open source. For productivity, convenience, or just showing off cool tricks, KDE Connect is one of those features you'll end up using way more than you expect. And just so you know, Feren OS has its firewall enabled by default. That means right from the moment you install it, your system is already protected against unwanted network access. You don't have to tweak anything or go digging through settings, the security is already in place, giving you a safe, locked-down starting point without any extra work. Faren OS also makes great use of virtual desktops, which are perfect if you like to keep your work organized. Instead of piling all your windows onto one screen, you can spread them across multiple desktops, maybe one for work, one for browsing, one for gaming, whatever you want. Switching between them is super smooth, and it really helps keep things clean and clutter-free. It's one of those features that, once you get used to it, you can't live without. Faren OS also comes with a driver manager, which is a huge help, especially if you're using hardware that needs proprietary drivers, things like NVIDIA graphics cards, certain Wi-Fi chips, or printers. Instead of hunting around the internet or typing commands into the terminal, the driver manager scans your system and shows you exactly which drivers are available. You can see your open source options, your proprietary options, and pick the best one with just a click. It takes all the guesswork out of setting up your hardware, making sure everything runs smoothly right from the start. Faren OS also gives you access to the Software Sources tool, and this is where you control where your apps and updates actually come from. Think of it as the behind-the-scenes control center for your software. From here, you can enable or disable different repositories, manage PPAs, and switch between official Ubuntu sources, third-party sources, and Flatpak options. It's super helpful if you want to add new software channels or fine-tune how your system receives updates. Even though it's a powerful tool, it's laid out in a way that's easy to understand, so whether you're tweaking things as a power user or just checking what sources are active, it keeps everything transparent and organized. And for those of you who like more advanced control, Feren OS also includes the Synaptic Package Manager. This is an older, more traditional Linux package manager, but it's incredibly powerful. With Synaptic, you can search for packages, install or remove them, check dependencies, and manage your system at a very detailed level. It's not the prettiest tool, but it's rock solid and gives you full control over the Ubuntu's package system underneath Faren OS. So whether you're troubleshooting or you just prefer a more technical approach to software management, Synaptic is a great tool to have right at your fingertips. Faren OS also includes a really handy tool called the Web Browser Manager. Even though Vivaldi is the default browser, this manager makes it super easy to switch to something else with just a click. Whether you prefer Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Brave, or even more niche browsers, you can install them right from this tool without digging through the software store. It's perfect if you want to quickly try different browsers or just stick with the one you're most comfortable with. And for remote access, Faren OS comes with KRDC, the KDE Remote Desktop Client. This lets you connect to other computers using RDP or VNC, the same protocols used in Windows Remote Desktop or many Linux remote tools. It's great if you need to access another machine at home, help someone troubleshoot, or jump into a server. It's simple, clean, and works surprisingly well right out of the box, making remote desktop connections totally hassle-free. And before we wrap up, we've got to talk about one of the coolest parts of KDE Plasma, widgets. Faren OS gives you access to tons of desktop widgets you can place anywhere you want. Clocks, sticky notes, system monitors, calendars, weather, whatever helps you personalize your setup or boost your productivity. You can drop them on your desktop, pin them to your panel, resize them, rearrange them. It's all super flexible. Widgets are honestly one of the features that make KDE feel fun and alive, and Faren OS embraces that completely. So that's Faren OS, a polished, friendly, customizable Linux distro that somehow still flies under the radar. From the welcome tour, to the transfer tool, to the update system, app store, and all the KDE goodness packed in, it really delivers a complete, ready-to-use experience right out of the box. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Linux content, and let me know in the comments if you want me to cover another underrated distro next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.